This is the level before.
Okay.
It's between a 3 and a 6.
We're here. This is purely for fun. We're just trying to prove. We don't even know what the answers. We don't even know what the answer is going to be here. Oh man, look at that, bro. Look at that.
Welcome to Everyday Plumbing, the good, the bad, the ugly, with Chuck Barron.
Hey guys, you know what we do. We do Everyday Plumbing, the good, the bad, the ugly. Today, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm a little bit of a biohacker. So I'm in the third quarter, middle of the third quarter. If I have a calculator right, I'm living to 100 with new AI, ice plunging, all the hacks out there, a better diet, no donuts, and just taking care of myself. And one of the things we do is ice plunge. And we're into the deep dive of what does chlorine absorb into the skin. So I'm going to fill up this tub here in Atlantic City at my shop with the water. I'm going to jump in it. We're going to pre-test it before we jump in, and we're going to test it afterwards. I'm just going to use city water temp, which will be about 55, and then we'll see the results live, okay? One of my big things is that we're trying to prove out here, or not prove, we're just trying to figure out. I'm not trying to prove nothing. I just want to live better myself without getting my daily dose of chlorine. And I've been getting my dose here for sure. So now I'm really curious because I don't know the answer yet. So we're going to find out in a short few minutes. If this tub of water loses all its chlorine into my skin after I sit in it for 5 minutes. Stay tuned.
I think I can smell it. That's what's crazy.
While I'm filling this tub, you can actually smell the chlorine, chloramine, whatever's in there. I'm no scientist, but there's definitely something they're trying to help us out as humans. But how good is it, and what level do you want to let enter your body? So, I don't know if you guys know, this is my friend Turtle. He's going to keep the temp of the tub. And again, I'm going to say about 55. In the winter, it's down to like 50.
No, it's going to be cold.
Usually I put in 4 or 5 gallon buckets of ice and 1 frozen ice cube. And I got some shots. But I'm going pure city water just for the test, because I don't want to, this is filtered all over here. I want to give you the true chlorine test for this plunge. And then again, I don't want to disturb the findings with some good ice or good water.
So the chlorine that they put in here is actually good for public safety and like keeps the bacteria down, makes it so if there's any bacteria or stuff like that get in the water, it would kill it, but it's just not good for our bodies, our skin, lungs, taste, or actually the long term of our plumbing itself. The chlorine and stuff destroys that. So it's here for a reason. They don't just put it here to kill us. It's here to like keep our water safe, but at the same time, we need to take it that extra little level and filter it for ourselves.
All right, guys, test time. Just filled it up. Let's see what we got. Here's my little turtle. He's getting chlorined up. Okay, we're gonna go 5 drops of each. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that, turning yellow instantly. And for the pH, 5 drops. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alrighty. Little shake and bake. Get a reading. A little overfilled, but we got it. There you go, guys. Read the numbers. All right. Now I'm going to jump in the tub. I'm gonna do 4 minutes and then we're gonna retest. It's 55.
Set your timer. How's the chlorine?
Oh. A little chilly. It's 54. Like I said, I'm really curious if I absorb all the chlorine. Now, imagine if you get in a tub, you put little Johnny in a tub, and you don't have a filter. This is what's happening. Your skin absorbs all the chlorine, and we just fact checked that you get most of your chlorine from a hot shower of all the steam going in your lungs. Check that out. Look that up. I was really surprised at that. But I'm a little chilly. Anyway, we're here. This is purely for fun. We're just trying to prove. We don't even know what the answer is. We don't even know what the answer is going to be here. We are not sure what the results are going to be, but I'm going to guess that this is 40 gallons of water, maybe. I don't know. I have no idea. But we're going to find out if I absorb the chlorine. Really interested in finding out.
You've only been in 1.5 minutes.
That's all right. I usually do 4. I usually do 45 degrees, and I usually let out a nice yell as I get in. But I'll tell you what, I feel awesome after I do these plunges. It's second to none. I've actually did an experiment. I came back from a day of work, lunchtime-ish. I ate a bunch of crap. I was having a major sugar crash, and I jumped in this baby with no coffee and came out of it on fire. It flipped my switch from ready to fall asleep and go into a coma to ready to run a marathon. So this actually does work. If you guys want to come over here and use it at my shop, I'll put some fresh water in for you and I will ice it up for you, okay? In the meantime, how's everybody doing? But don't forget to like and subscribe. You know we're back in. We're trying to do this. All in, of course. But this is part of my little bit of biohacking, you know? Spartan Bob, he's one of my biohack brothers. I know Danny out there, Daniel is in Philly. I know he's biohacking too. And all you biohackers out there, my man Rob here behind the camera, he just gave me some secret sauce. We're going to check it out. And as you all know, ice water is good for you. So hot water is a luxury.
That's been 4.
4 minutes?
Yep.
All right, let's do it.
Woo! Are you going to dry off first?
Yeah, let me try. No, why? Just do it. Let's just do it right now.
All right, so this is the level before.
Okay.
It's between a 3 and a 6. Let's see what it is now.
Let's see what it is. I should rinse it out. No, I shouldn't.
Yeah, you can just dump it.
Don't get the shop dirty. All right, here we go, guys. We'll go pH first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The moment of truth. I'm really curious. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I might have dropped one too many in there. I might have just messed that up, but you get the point here. It's all. I already see that it's less yellow than before. So I was in the tub for 4 minutes. Wow. So look at that. I definitely absorbed chlorine in 4 minutes.
Good, for sure.
No doubt.
It went from a 3 to a 6 to like kind of what you're supposed to have.
So I'll just retest it because I actually put too much yellow stuff in. And again, man, we're just out here trying to learn too, man. We're out here just trying to do it. Pass on some good intel so we all can feel good of what's going on out there. Chlorine's the one I want to do more, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. And then I'll do this again for fun. And bang. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm glad I retested because guess what? I think it's a little lighter. Oh man. Look at that, bro. Look at that. So, safe to say, if you want some healthy living, some fourth quarter action, or maybe some overtime like I do, I'm going to filter my water. How about you? Fresh out of the dressing room, guys. Out the tub. I just want to pass on what I'm trying to do is pass on the information that we're learning, right? We're going to do a deep dive on our podcast coming up of why we're trying to do this and pass on the information that we're learning. We're learning as we go, as you are. So much information is available online, through social media, and people doing really deep dives that we're just joining the force of trying to live better, live healthier. And if you like this, check out the podcast coming up next. Really appreciate if you like, subscribe, and share, and get the word out there. See you at the next one, folks.
Welcome to Everyday Plumbing, the good, the bad, the ugly, with Chuck Barron.